Hi, I'm Nick with Skog at Kust, and this is the GymSåk. The GymSåk is our patent-pending 2-in-1 drawstring bag with a removable interior waterproof dry bag. The exterior cinch bag is made from polyester, and the waterproof interior bag is made from 70D nylon, which is coated with PVC. The interior dry bag can be unsnapped from the exterior drawstring bag, and each one can be used separately. GymSåk is available in a variety of colors and patterns. The cinch bag features a large exterior zippered pocket with a key clip. Sealing the dry bag is simple. Fill the bag and align the top edges, fold over tightly at least 3 times, then buckle the clips. Cinch the outer bag and you're ready to go. When properly sealed, the dry bag portion of the GymSåk provides IPX6 waterproof protection, and it also floats. For more information, please see our listing.